How to transfer Toon Blast to new phone. So doing this involves linking or connecting your account from the available options, and in this game's case, the option you have that can connect to anything is just Facebook. So before you switch to your different device, make sure you have connected your Facebook into the progress and data from this device. So just go ahead into the top right, which is the cog, and then the settings, then just go into connecting your Facebook. So once you connect your Facebook account, it's gonna say something like this. It's gonna say a success, gonna give you a little reward as well. So it's pretty much connected now. So if you go to a different device, just go ahead and connect to the same Facebook account. It's gonna see that data has already progressed, and it will transfer to that new device. So just go ahead and use the same account from the Facebook, and you'll pretty much be able to transfer or switch your Toon Blast progress to your new device or new phone. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.